Can we have more details about that, sir?
Well, it was a surprise. I only found out early this morning when I got up. That's what they are doing, and that's why I fully agree with what has been done. That's highly inappropriate, and I suppose, or may utos sila na maglagay kayo ng kung saan hindi na nasabi, bahala nga, ba't pa kayo maglalagay dyan? So the order didn't go out, but it has now. We say paubayan nyo na muna yan, ayusin nyo na muna yung ating response crisis, so yeah, that is an unfortunate misjudgment on their part, but we've corrected it, and I trust it will not happen anymore.